Kamiti ino iria iriga kuheana riboti yayo kuri president yugite ati endia Miraa nimarituhagirio mithenya yao kuona no nginyagia marihe kigina kuri kaunti imwe mbere ya mahitukiirie Miraa yao icigo-ini icio toria muikariri giti wa kamiti yo atariirie.
After loading to the pickup or lorry from Lare, Malitatu, Kangeta, they start harassment by the law enforcement officers all the way to Mombasa. You can calculate and find how much does a lorry now pay at the end of the year. If you convert that into a tax, you will find the Miraa farmer is the most taxed person.
Hamwe na mendekithia maria mari riboti-ini ino ni thirikari kuiga keheri-ini gicunji kia mugunda guku mucii-ini wa Nairobi kuria Miraa ino iribangagirwo ona gucagurirwo ari ta njira imwe ya kugacirithia utheru na oho thothaiti cia Miraa guthomithia arimi bata wa kwendia Miraa kuria aria mari na marua ma thirikari.
We have also recommended things like establishment of sheds. Because if you go to where it is coming from, you meet Miraa is being handled from the ground. And it's food you are eating without even washing or even cooking. So maybe that's one reason why it is being restricted in foreign lands.
No na kuri oguo governor wa Miraa Peter Munya nigite ati kamiti ndia makuruhanirie na njira oro yothe tori igoti riendekithitie undu uri igite ati ona riu thirikari ya county yo iri na wendi ucio.
The ministry concerned that produced the task force, which is the Ministry of Agriculture, want to sit down with us and sit down with the other stakeholders to work out the modalities of the implementation of the task force. We are ready. So giving us, handing a copy to us is neither here nor there.
Ningi Munya ni atariirie ati icera ria president bururi-ini wa Ngeretha ria ya kwaga guteithia na njira oro yothe niguo bururi ucio ukorwo ukieheria mukana uria wekirire wa wendia wa Miraa bururi-ini ucio.
Remember, the current Prime Minister of UK was actually the minister in charge of internal affairs who spearheaded the ban for Miraa, and she is the one also who went against the recommendations of our own task force that was saying don't ban Miraa, and she went ahead and banned Miraa.
Kamiti ino ya Miraa iriga guthondekwo ni mutongoria wa bururi kurumirira itua ria kuhingwo gwa thoko imwe undu uria wacungiririe arimi guthii hathara nene. Giribotera Inoro thaa 3 ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.